Hi friends, it's teacher Ulrich here. How's it going? That's good. Today let's continue with lesson 16. In class 3, we'll be taking on activities 16B, 16C, and 16D. So make sure that you have these 3 activities for today's lesson. Now let's begin. First we'll be doing activity 16B. First thing is we'll read the instruction. Making connections. Circle the letter next to each correct answer. There may be more than one correct answer. Remember that. Question 1. Which word or words go with give up? Is it A, abdicate, B, assume, C, provoke, D, yield? I can see 2 correct answers. Which word or words go with give up? A, abdicate, D, yield. Question 2. Which word or words go with earlier time? Is it A, former, B, duration, C, previous, D, delicate? I can see 2 correct answers. Which word or words go with earlier time? A, former, C, previous. These activities help us to practice and remember. Don't stress too much. Question 3. Which word or words go with protect? A, guardian, B, bungle, C, rain, D, pardon. I can see 1 correct answer. Which word goes with protect? A, guardian. Question 4. Which word or words go with special occasion? A, riot, B, jubilee, C, celebrate, D, provoke. I can see 2 correct answers. Which word or words go with special occasion? B, jubilee, a celebration of, or an anniversary celebration rather, of something that is 15 years or older. C, celebrate. Question 5. Which word or words go with family? Is it A, ancestor, B, kinfolk, C, bungle, D, intercept? I can see 2 correct answers. Which word or words go with family? Is A, ancestor, B, kinfolk, kinfolk. You can say kinfolk. Question 6. Which word or words go with disorder? A, rebellion, B, transformation, C, illumination, D, riot. Which word or words go with disorder? I can see 2. It is A, rebellion, D, riot. Those 2. Question 7. Which word or words go with give up office? Give up office. A, employ, B, reign, C, abdicate, D, riot. I can see 1 correct answer. Which word or words go with give up office? That is C, abdicate. Question 8. Which word or words go with forgive? A, dominate, B, intercept. C, employ. D, pardon. I can see one correct answer. Which word or words go with forgive? D, pardon. Question 9. Which word or words go with make known? A, assume. B, intercept. C, provoke. D, proclaim. This is a tricky one. I can see one correct answer. Which word or words go with make known? D, proclaim. Question 10. Which word or words go with higher? Higher. A, collapse. B, elevate. C, escalate. D, hoist. I can see 3 correct answers. Which word or words go with higher? B, elevate, like an elevator. C, escalate, like an escalator, those rolling stairs. And D, hoist. Now these are the correct answers for activity 16B. Make sure you got all these correct answers. Next is activity 16C. First, let's read the instruction. Determining meanings. Circle the letter next to each answer choice that correctly completes the sentence. There may be more than one correct answer. Remember, there may be more than one correct answer. Number 1. We intercepted A, the package before it could be delivered. B, the ball after the game began. C, ourselves between the 2 dogs. D, the other team before the game began. I can see 2 correct answers. Think about the most logical ones. We intercepted A, the package before it could be delivered. It's on its way somewhere and you stop it. We intercepted B, the ball after the game began. So you can intercept the ball. If one player passes the ball to the other, you can run in between them and intercept the ball. Number 2. The abdication. A, was put in an envelope and mailed. B, of the Queen after 15 years was shocking. C, of the light bulb was amazing. D, of the presidential office to the vice president happened quickly. Now here I see 2 that are correct. The abdication, B, of the Queen after 15 years was shocking. The abdication, D, of the presidential office to the vice president happened quickly. So it went from the president to the vice president. He abdicated. Number 3. The kinfolk. A, lasted just a short while and then it was over. B, gathered around the table. C, are all invited to the big family birthday party. D, is kept in the barn until we can clean the stall. I can see 2 that are correct. The kinfolk, B, gathered around the table. The kinfolk, C, are all invited to the big family birthday party. Kinfolk, your family members. Number 4. What provoked A, such an aggressive response? B, Santos to challenge Hernandez to a game of basketball. Those are boy names. Santos, Hernandez. C. Hermione in the hand. Hermione in the hand. It's also a name, weird name. D. The disease was a bite from a tick. So which are correct? I can see two. What provoked A such an aggressive response? What provoked B Santos to challenge Hernandez to a game of basketball? Number 5. The assumption A that he could get away with it was unbelievable. B is that if she studied enough, she will pass the test. C. Of ice into water will happen more quickly in the sun. D. Is that the weather will clear up. So I can see here, I can see 3 that are correct. The assumption, A, that he could get away with it was unbelievable. The assumption, B, is that if she studied enough, she will pass the test. The assumption, D, is that the weather will clear up. Number 6. Her formerly, A letter is addressed to the president. B. Old bike has been fixed up like new. C. Dress is ready to wear. D. Sad face is now happy. I can see 2 that are correct. Her formerly, so the one before, B. Old bike has been fixed up like new. Her formerly, D. Sad face is now happy. Number 7. He dominated A. The weightlifting competition by showing superior strength. B. The honey by first finding the beehive. C. The Spanish words into English. D. The room with his loud voice which annoyed everyone else. Now I can see 2 that are correct. He dominated A. The weightlifting competition by showing superior strength. This one is difficult. He dominated D. The room with his loud voice which annoyed everyone else. And number 8. We bungled A. Our chance to win by not working as a team. B. The quiz because we didn't study. C. And danced gracefully on the stage. D. My mom into letting us go inside. So I can see 2 that are correct. We bungled A. Our chance to win by not working as a team. We bungled B. The quiz because we didn't study. Now these are the correct answers for activity 16C. Next, it's activity 16D. Now this is the final activity for today's class. First, let's read the instruction. Completing sentences. Complete the sentences to demonstrate your knowledge of the words in bold. Great. So we have to just finish these sentences. Try to use your own words as much as possible. Remember that we always start a sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. These sentences are different. Because we complete the sentence, see, there are no full stops. So we will start our sentence, the one we write, with a lowercase letter, because it's just the continuation of the sentence. But we will end it with a full stop though. The first one is, I assume that. I assume that. I assume that I can always depend on friends. What do you assume? Number 2. One animal that would dominate an elephant's height would be a what? Which animal could dominate an elephant's height? Would be a giraffe. That's the only one, right? A giraffe. Number 3. If you pardon someone, that means you If you pardon someone, that means you forgive them for what they did. Number 4. Something a teacher might proclaim is... So, something a teacher might make known. I'll put it in quotes. Is... It's time for lunch. Number 5. Someone who reigns might be a what? Someone who reigns might be a king or queen. Someone who reigns might be a king or queen. Number 6. My former teacher's name was... Your former teacher. My former teacher's name was Mrs. Saunders. Write your former teacher's name, the one you had before this one. Number 7. I'm sure I would bungle it if I tried to... So I have 3. I'm sure I would bungle it if I play golf, bake a cake, or fly a plane. I would mess it up. Number 8. The name of one of my kin is... David. One of your family members, right? Number 9. Something that is a riot of color is what? Something that is a riot of color is what? a sunset. When the sun sets, there are many beautiful colors, just a mixture of colors. Number 10. A provocative statement might be I'm not cleaning my room. That could cause your mom to smack you. Could cause her to act, right? A provocative statement. And friends, that is it. Make sure you got the right sentences. You have to show here that you understand the meaning of the words. Great. Here is a homework activity. This activity on page 202 you can do for homework. And that is it for today's lesson. Thank you for joining, and really friends, great job today. Remember to join me next in day 4. For the next class we'll take on activity 16E. To prepare for this next lesson, you can read the passage for activity 16E. Then join me for the next class. That's it, friends. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.